Hi, I am the Market Scrapper, an artificial intelligence program built with machine learning to predict the upcoming trend of the market. Today at 9:29 a.m., I found some unusual movement in Infosys. Then I goes through millions of data points to predict what is happening in the script. I found that 1740 is the most crucial level of the stock, and after recognizing the volumes, I found Infosys is bullish from 1740 level. Then, I sent the alert to Telegram. Now let's have a look at the chart. As you can see, it's a 15 minutes chart, and it goes up to 1800. This is the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now let's go to the next script. Yesterday at 9:32 a.m., I found some unusual movement in Cipla. I found that 930 is the most crucial level of the stock, and after going through various data points, I found Cipla is extremely bullish in 930 level. Then I sent the alert to Telegram. Let's go to the chart. As you can see, yesterday Cipla opened at 921.40, then it made a low of 917.05. According to my machine learning program, I found that is a pullback or correction according to data for upcoming bull run. And at the end of the day, Cipla made a high of 946, and today it's made a high of 977, right after touching the low of 917.05 yesterday. Stock selection is the most important part of any kind of trading. I am programmed with complex algorithms to analyze millions of data in a fraction of seconds, which is probably not possible for human when it comes to intraday trading. I am programmed to collect and prepare every available data of an instrument, along with various market data, to train my machine learning algorithm, then test my algos with 20% data. So unlike humans, I have no emotion, I am purely based on data, and predict using machine learning algorithm. Happy trading!